I think kicking someone in the groin is probably the worst possible thing that you could do to a man, except pulling out a gun and shooting them dead. And if anybody disagrees with me, chances are they haven't been kicked in the groin ever. It really is so effective, and that's why on this channel we always say it's one of the best things that you should do and one of the first things that you should do to defend yourself. But what if the tables are turned? What if somebody uses that groin kick against you? So in this video, we're going to look at a few options that you can use to defend yourself against a groin kick. So first option we're going to look at to defend against the groin kick is what we call scooping. Essentially, as the kick comes in, we're going to use a scooping motion with our arm to move the attacker off our centre line, whilst using our footwork to move back or to the side. So to demonstrate that, as the kick comes in, what we're going to do is scoop whilst using our footwork to move out of the attacker's centre line, coming back in with strikes. Also, we can use it as it comes in to move backwards as well for a less combative option. That works as well with the kick off the lead leg. So as the kick comes in, scooping out to the side, coming back in with strikes, or scooping and moving back. Notice I'm scooping and moving at the same time. If I just scoop, it might not be enough and the attacker's going to come into me and I'm going to get a face full of whatever he's throwing. So I need to scoop and use my footwork in collaboration with each other. So with that first defense, it relies on you being pretty capable, being pretty fast and having good footwork. You may not have either of those things. So the next one we're going to look at is more of a worst case scenario where we're going to check or block the kick as it comes in. So as the kick comes in, all we're going to do is check it here. So what I'm doing is I'm using my leg, tilting it to the side a little bit to create a shield to protect my groin. So I'm not bringing it up like that because my groin's still available. So I'm just bringing it in to protect my groin. So as it comes in, bam. And then I'm coming back with strikes. Works off both legs, bam. Here, if I'm right-handed, exactly the same thing, bam. Has. So guys, that was how to defend yourself against a groin kick. We've recently done a video as well about how to defend yourself against low kicks. So if you're interested in that, make sure you check it out. And please like and subscribe for more self-defense content. Thanks guys.
Stay safe amigos. Gracias.